Diolch Llywydd. We are seriously lacking in charging points for electric vehicles in the Rhondda. The map of Wales shows that there is nothing in the Rhondda Fach or in the Rhondda Fawr. And the nearest charging points, depending on where you live in the Rhondda, are Hirwaun, Aberdare or just outside Llantrisant. Now, it's no wonder that only 0.17% of vehicles used in Wales are currently electric. A recent consultation and electric vehicle strategy has recently been announced by your government with a vague target of ensuring that, and I quote, by 2025, all users of electric cars and vans in Wales are confident that they can access electric charging infrastructure when and where they need it. But this vehicle technology exists now. We can't wait until 2025. Why can't they be installed in public car parks now, for example? People want to make the switch to electric vehicles, and we're in the middle of a climate crisis. People want to be able to make their own contribution to that. And given that there are plans to phase out petrol and diesel cars, don't you think there should be much, much more urgency on this? So can we have a statement from the government to explain when we can see movement on this and what your plans are to see some sort of swift legislation? Clearly it may not be possible within this Senedd term, but is it something that you would be supportive of in the next Senedd term when Plaid Cymru is running the government?
Thank you to Leanne Wood for raising the issue this afternoon. I do know that the Minister for Economy and Transport is considering how best to update colleagues on the transport strategy, which of course includes a section on vehicles and ensuring that we move to a more sustainable and more sustainable picture in Wales in terms of vehicles, with specifically relating to electric vehicles and ensuring that people have access to those charging points that they need in order to make that transition. So I do know that he's considering how best to provide that update in the time that we have left. But in the meantime, before he's able to do that, I will ask him to provide a written update on this specific issue to Leanne Wood to address those concerns that she's raised this afternoon.